Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good day all. My name is Mukhtar Aliyu. So we are now going to look at some questions, and these are for STTME questions. So we are going to look at them one after the other, and at the same time, these videos we have them. We have a lot of them in our websites. We have a website that's that give a training for secondary student, JAM, and for UTME student as well as university student. Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with dash 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 and dash. A. Hydrogen and oxygen. B. Carbon and carbon. C. Carbon and sulfur. D. Carbon and hydrogen. So truly speaking, there is no answer for this question. Because when we said organic chemistry is the study of carbon and it is compound, not carbon and element or carbon and other element. No. Organic chemistry is the study of carbon and it is compounds. And remember, when we said compound, it means it's a combination of two or more elements that chemically combine. And for example, let me just give example of organic compounds. Let's see, we have something like this. This is CH4. CH4 is organic compound. So also if we have something like this, CH3SH is also organic compound, but we have sulfur here. We can also have something like this, CH3OH. We have oxygen. This one, we have oxygen. This one is also organic compound. So but now the question is, why is it that they selected option D, carbon and hydrogen? Yeah, of course, organic compounds are classified into two. We have hydrocarbon and non-hydrocarbon. HC means hydrocarbon. So when you said hydrocarbon, it means that a compound that contain carbon and hydrogen only. So organic chemistry is divided into two. We have hydrocarbon and we have non-HC, that is non-hydrocarbon. So non-hydrocarbons means apart from carbon and hydrogen in a compound, so there are also other atoms. So meaning that non-hydrocarbons, they still contain carbon and hydrogen, but other atoms are also integrated. Like for example, remember with the compound I gave initially, which is a methanol. This is methanol. Methanol is CH3OH. So this is a typical example of non-hydrocarbon. Okay, so what I want us to understand is, as I said, organic chemistry is divided into two. We have hydrocarbon and non-hydrocarbon. So non-hydrocarbon are the ones that contain carbon and hydrogen only. And the questions is not asking about hydrocarbon, is asking about organic chemistry in general. So therefore now what I want us to understand is this: there is no answer to this question, because organic chemistry is the study of carbon and it is compounds. Sulfur is also part of organic chemistry. Oxygen is also part of organic chemistry. So therefore there is no answer for this question. Carbon and hydrogen is just only trying to define hydrocarbon. Then we are now moving to the next question. And remember, hydrocarbon, for those that did organic chemistry, although I'm going to provide a video tutorial on introductions of organic chemistry, and we are going to look at a lot of things. What I want to say here, we remember hydrocarbons are classified into three. We have number one, we have of course they are divided into two. So we have saturated and unsaturated. When we say saturated, are those that have carbon to carbon single bond, and unsaturated are those that have carbon to carbon double or triple bond. So those ones are non-hydrocarbons. saturated and non-saturated. Okay,